Hello everyone, we are doing chapter 5, that is division of numbers, and today we will learn short division, okay, short division and long division. So we can solve division problem by the short division method as shown here, okay. So now see here how to do this division. As you can see here, suppose 6 divided by 2, 6 divided by using short division, 6 divided by 2. So write the write the divisor here, means outside. Okay, first we have to make the line like L, and we will write 6 inside the L and 2 outside the L. That means this 6 is a dividend and this 2 is your divisor. So in table of 2, how many times is equal to 6? That is 3 times. Suppose if I will take one more example, that is 12 divided by 3. So how we will do? So 12 I will write inside the L and 3 outside. So in table of 3, how many times is equal to 12? So 3 4 ja 12. Got it? So let's see one more. Suppose 20 divided by 5. So we will make L 20 inside and 5 outside. So in table of 5, how many times is equal to 20? That is 4 times. So your Q is equal to this 4 and your Q is equal to this 4. That means your Division dividend will be inside the L, divisor will be outside the L, Q will be the downside. So this is your Q. Got it? Now, long division method. So how to do the long division method? Okay, let's see. So first we have to divide. See the example. We have to divide this 8 divided by 4. So in a long division, first draw the symbol. First we have to draw this symbol. Okay, write the dividend inside the symbol and the divisor on the left side of the symbol as shown here. So we will write 8 inside the symbol and outside, that is left side. We will write the dividend, so divisor outside. Okay. Now to divide, check the multiplication table of the divisor. So your divisor is 4. To see the dividend 8. So comes in the table of. So now in the table of 4, how many times is equal to 8? So that is 2 times. So the multiplication table of 4 tell us that 4 times 2 is equal to 8. So 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. So quotient. So write the quotient above the symbol as shown here. So we will write the quotient above the symbol. Write down the product of the divisor and the quotient below the dividend. So product we will write here, means we are writing that 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. So we are writing here. Now make a line and give the subtraction symbol, and now do the subtraction. So we write the difference below given the lines. In this case the difference is 0. So the difference is 0 in this case. Now if the first digit of the dividend is smaller than the divisor, okay, suppose you can see here 16 divided by 4. So now you can see here the first number is smaller than this 4. So what happened here? So we are taking here 2-digit number. So now it is become 16. So now we will read the table of 4, that how many times is equal to 16. That is 4 times is equal to 4 is equal to 16. So 4 4 is 16. So we are writing here down the giving line and minus symbol, and 0 will be the answer. So 16 divided by 4 is equal to. Got it? Now, concept of remainder. So keep it in mind, the concept of remainder. Okay. So we group the object equally, but sometimes we are unable to create the equal groups and left some of the object. So the leftover is known as a remainder. So now you can see here 7 ice creams are there. So we can make here group of 3 ice cream, here 3 ice cream, and 1 ice cream is left over. So this 1 ice cream will become our remainder. Okay, suppose share 7 ice cream between 2 children. After a grouping, each child get 3 ice cream, 1 ice cream is left. So you can see here this division. So 7 divided by 2, that is 2 3 is 6, because 7 is not there in table of 2. So what we will do? We will take 6. So 2 3 is 6. So 1 will come down. So this one will become our remainder. Got it? This one will become our remainder. So this is the remainder. Got it? Now, how to check the division that we have done, that is correct or not? How to check the division? So, see here, we can check the answer of the division with the help of multiplication and addition. We need to multiply the quotient and divisor, then add the remainder, if any. To the product of the result obtained is equal dividend, then our division is correct. That means if after multiplying and after adding, if the answer is equal to our dividend, in that case, that our division is correct. So let's see here. So this is the formula: dividend equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Divisor multiply quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. Now 16 divided by 3. Okay, 16 divided by 3. So first we will do the division here. So we cannot divide 1 by this 3 because 1 is smaller than 3. So now we will take 2 digits. So this is 16. So in the table of 3, how many times is equal to 16? 16 is not there. So we will take the nearer to the 16. So 15, 3 5 ja 15. So 5 minus 1, 5 minus 6 minus 5 is 1. So 1 is a remainder. So how to check now? So your dividend is 16, your divisor is 6. So here your quotient is 5 and your remainder is 1. So how to check? Divisor multiply quotient. That means 3 multiply 5 plus 1. So 3 5 ja 15 plus 1 16. So that means our dividend is 16. So this division problem is correct because we got the answer what? Dividend is equal to 16, and here also we got 16. That means so our division is correct. Got it, children? So in this way we can check our division. So now let's do our exercise. So here, question number 1. Okay, question number 1. What we have to do, solve the following by long division method and check your answer. So how to do that? Suppose number 1 here. 10 divided by 2. So long division. So 10, 2. So 1 we cannot divide. So now we will take 2 digits. So in table of 2, 2 5s are 10. That is minus. So we got 0. So your Q is equal to 5 and your R is equal to how much? 0. Now check. Okay, check. So how we can check? Divisor zero. So how we can check? Divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Okay. So what is your divisor? Divisor is 2 multiply your quotient is 5 plus your remainder is 0. So 2 5s are 10 plus 0 is equal to 10 is equal to dividend is equal to 10. So here also dividend is equal. So our division is correct. Got it? Now 11 divided by 3. So let's do it. Number 2. 11 divided by 3. So long division 11. So in table of 3 there is no 11. So now what we will do? 3 3 is a 9. So 9 11 minus 9 is 2. So your Q is equal to 3. Your R is equal to 2. So check. Checking is how we can check? Divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. So your divisor is, how much your divisor? 3, and your quotient is also 3, that is your remainder is 2. So 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9 plus 2. So 9 plus 2, 11 is equal to dividend. Okay, that means our answer is correct. So you try question number 3 and 4. Okay, thank you everyone.